My teachers have been a great help. The materials that they have provided even during this pandemic time have been very helpful, and we have received ample amount of practice papers and preparatory papers. With all of these, we are able to further our preparation for our board exams. I'm focusing mainly on the materials they have sent us and on my memories of the class lectures, which have helped a lot. As soon as I decided I wanted to do commerce, my parents were also telling in Bangalore, Jain is one of the most reputed institutions for commerce, so I immediately thought of Jain College. I visited the campus and I thought the faculty was also very experienced, so I decided to apply here. And
we had, even though this year we had everything online, but our faculties evaluated and personally they contacted me and told me this was my mistake and how I could go further. So Jain College, we have abundant activities, extracurricular activities, be it sports or drama or the forums or whatever. I was a part of English forum also, so I was in the PR team. Again, I was I had stage fear, a lot of stage fear, but I could overcome my stage fear just because I was a part of the PR team. And yes, there was a balance because I had to miss any class because of any forum activities. So yes, there was a very good balance. I think Jain College specialty is its fests and how creatively we organize them each year. But this year we needed a little more creativity because everything was on the online platform, virtual platform. So I think even though I was not a part of the English forum this year, I think the forum or all other forums did it very creatively, be it the interviews for the juniors or any kind of activity. So it was done in a very well way, and coordination was seen between the members. I think the fest last year, since I was a part of the fest last year, the fest was the best memory of mine. I think the experience was unforgettable.
I feel very honored. Jain College has been very supportive to me, and I've even continued my studies in Jain College only. I've already enrolled myself in Jain University. So I want to be with Jain. I want to make Jain proud of me, and others also should know that Jain College is a very supportive college. The rest, my teachers have guided me. They have given me materials to study, the question banks, practice papers, model papers, last year question papers. They've helped me a lot. My teachers are pointing out the even minutest mistakes and telling me to improve well and score 100 in every subject.
So after my 10th standard, I was sure about taking commerce, and one of the best colleges that I found out was Jain College Vivipuram. So I decided to enroll here. The alumni, no doubt there are many alumni in all the fields that Jain College has produced. You know, that's the most honorable moment for any alumni is when he or she is called as a chief guest in his or her own college. So yeah, that would be the goal of any student, and that is what we all look up to.
Jain College in one word. It's difficult to choose one word, but I'd say dedicated. They are very dedicated towards their students. They help us a lot in all aspects. No matter what, teachers are always available, and the kind of friends I've made here also very dependable. So yeah, dedicated is the word I would use.
I think the best institution, I think, for when it comes to academics, I think the training that we get in Jain College is unmatchable, and I hope I can make a name in this college, and yes, it's one of the best institutions.
It is excellent.
I would say competitive. We have competitions in all fields, be it academics, be it co-curriculars, you know, be it anything, we have competition, and that is what makes us realize our greatest potential.